Hi, I'm Ellery and I work at the Firth of Forth Lobster Hatchery. During the summertime we work to conserve a species of lobster called the European lobster, which is found all throughout the Firth of Forth and all the way up to Norway and down to Morocco. And it's the species of lobster that you'll find when you go to the supermarket or you have lobster from a fish and chip shop. We're usually a summer operation, so we usually operate between the months of May and September. However, this year we've been brought on by the Seabird Centre and Restoration Forth to help conserve seagrass in the Firth of Forth also. So what that involves is we collected quite a lot of reproductive shoots up in Orkney from their Seagrass Meadows there, and we brought them back down to the Firth of Forth to the Lobster Hatchery, where we've got 6 big tanks where we put all the seagrass. One of the final steps of processing the seagrass was we've got this seagrass seed processing machine that we got from Project Seagrass, who are our technical lead on Restoration Forth. And we put the plant matter and the seeds into the machine, and it churned up the plant matter, just leaving us the seeds, which we're going to store over the winter time to prevent early germination. In the springtime we'll go out and plant our seagrass seeds in our 3 sites in the hope that we can restore some of the native seagrass beds that were once there. The leftover seagrass, which we've obtained all the seeds from, is going to be sent to Caledonian Horticulture to be composted. It's really nice that the project can contribute to that and send away the leftover seagrass to be composted.